Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send HD photos through Instagram direct messages, ensuring your images remain sharp and high quality. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. To check, open the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and if you see the update button, tap it. Once the update is complete, open the app. Now, go to your direct messages by tapping the message icon in the top right corner. Select a chat, then tap the image icon to choose a photo. At the top of the screen, you will see an HD icon. Tap on it, then hit send. And that's it. Now you know how to send HD photos on Instagram DMs.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.